Mission 14 is called the Bridge, and there are 3 parts on the mat to this mission. The first part is this center support, and all 3 parts are actually dual locked to the table. If you'll notice on this model, on one side there is a hollow center, whereas on the other side it is just as solid as the left and right, or top and bottom, however you want to look at it, with just a small hole in the middle. When you line this up on the table, you want the hollow edge to be lying face down. The other 2 parts are the west and east sides of the bridge. The west side of the bridge has this red latch that plays a role in Mission 13 platooning trucks, whereas the east side of the bridge does not have that latch. When you line them up, the latch is going to be on the west side of the west bridge, so that when the bridge falls down, it lands on the center support. And the east bridge is going to be set so that when it falls down, it would fall onto that center support. So those are, and when you start the match, both bridge halves should be upright. In order to score this mission, if you knock down the west deck onto the center, that is worth 10 points. If you knock the east deck down onto the center, that is worth 10 points. Keep in mind, though, that if for some reason your chicken statue gets in the way and you were to knock the bridge down, it's knocked down, but it is not resting on the center support. So this configuration would score 0 points. So I'm going to move the chicken out of the way. I'm going to knock them down again. And since I scored both halves, that's worth 20 points. There is no bonus on this mission, so you can earn up to 20 points. With that said, that covers almost all of the mission models. There are 1 or 2 more left over, but we have a couple more missions to cover, and the 2 missions we have left are actually worth the most points of any of the missions that we've seen so far by a large amount. So Mission 14 is what I would call the last small mission, or the last kind of self-contained mission. The remaining missions, especially 15 and 16, are going to be very widespread missions, and you'll see what I mean in those videos. But that is Mission 14, the bridge, and how you set it up and score it. Remember that the bridge does play a role with Mission 13, the platooning trucks, because of this latch here. And the starting configuration has both up, and this mission again is worth a maximum of 20 points.